Hey everyone, we're gonna start by removing the hardware. So let's get started. Just a disclaimer, I did start this project last summer and did most of the prep work then, and then picked it up again this May and did the priming and painting and top coating. And this project is going to be a closet for my son who lives in our basement. He doesn't have a closet down there, so we are using it for him to put his clothes in. Well, I can't get the drawers to come out, so we're gonna take the hardware off out here. They are stuck in there good, man. That is a lot of hardware for one piece. Holy moly. Dirty rag. Now time to rinse it off with some warm water. Yeah, it's cold here in the Midwest today. It's in the 50s right now. This is the hardware that I plan on putting on it. However, it is a little longer than the previous holes, so I'm just going to fill the holes as well and drill new holes. Also, this piece had a lot of like those manufactured wormholes and a lot of scratches and stuff, so that is why I'm using so much wood filler in so many places. I just wanted a more smoother finish. I did not fill every little dent and crack, but I did fill a majority of them. Alright, I got all the wood filler on. It looks sort of like me as a kid with chicken pox and calamine lotion on every dot. Have you ever had that happen to you? That's a lot of wood filler, people. So let it all dry and come back out and sand it all down. Alright, fast forward to May of this year, and I primed this all by hand with Ben Zinser's shellac-based primer, and I didn't record any of my priming. And then I painted it with Rustoleum's Linen White chalk paint, and I'm using that in my fairly new to me Fuji sprayer, which just makes life a whole lot easier. I gave the piece 2 coats of the linen white, and then I did 2 coats of Varathanes satin top coat as well with the sprayer. Alright, all those coats on and dried, and my husband is just measuring to make sure we get the holes centered. And then we'll get that new hardware on and it all put back together. And I did install a rod inside of it as well, like I said, to let my son hang his clothes on. I just want to thank all of you guys for tuning in today. It's a little shorter video than usual, and I appreciate your support so much. If you do want to support my channel, the best way is to give this video a like and a subscribe if you are not subscribed already. But if you want to support me in other ways, you can also go below in the links and use the Buy Me a Coffee link or check out my Amazon wish list. Each way is very appreciated, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. I hope that you enjoyed something in it, and let me know what you think of the finished product in the comments below. I hope you all have a very blessed week, and stick around for the after pictures. Bye everyone.